na, ano tawag na? Yung milk? Kaya yung sa kanya, yung na kalawang na gani. Tapos, 1 week, less than 1 week dapat na nasa kanya yung milk na evaporated. That's how we are this open cook. Kaya yun. Pinakain ko sa aso.
Ang?
Evap? Oy, evap na! Pero luto sa sa spag, na dapat, hindi dapat kung sa spag, dapat alpine.
Kakain pa lang aso ng condensed milk.
Hindi pa inom lang mo.
Oh, hindi pa yun. Hindi pa kaon.
Yes, drink. Listen to her. She knows what she's saying. Just drink. That's it. Drink, drink, drink.
Kasi na shot.
What are you talking about, you tikbalang you?
You're like a meal? You're stupid.
I'm not stupid. I'm quite
You're
bright.
just drunk.
As far as I am very bright. No, not really bright, but I'm quite bright.
Oh, kung sabi ko, isipin mo ang isip ko.
You're thinking that you're super pathetic, low-headed brother that don't care about your sister. God, that's so pathetic.
Yeah, you're so stupid.
That hurts our, you know.
You're so stupid.
Macam-macam mo ba yun? You know.
Akin na!
Igan mo.
Akin na yung takip.
Ay, bakit?
Gamay lang ha, basi sobrang ka. Ops!
Daga pa. Ah.
Mainit. It's quite mainit, you know. I can't solve.
Natawa na ako, minsan mo.
Uy, maya-iya ka daw.
I can't go this. Okay, first.
Uy, tanda na po.